Hello viewers, welcome back to Global Cuisine. Today I'm going to prepare a easy dessert made out of cheese and biscuit. It's a spicy cheese souffle with ginger flavor and fresh mango. To prepare this dessert I have 4 pieces of vanilla cookies, 150 gram of cream cheese. I prefer Philadelphia cream cheese. 150 gram of fresh whipping cream. 12 gram of gelatin powder. 5 ml of freshly made ginger juice. 50 gram of 25 gram of sugar. 10 gram of soft butter. As a first step, what we need to do, we need to make a biscuit base. So what I am doing, I am going to crush powder of biscuit and we will mix it with the butter. So we have the biscuit base. This mix it. We have a film and we have a mold. What we will do, we will keep the film inside the mold and we will fill the biscuit inside as a base. We will use a small glass base to press it properly, so this will have a solid base. Now the step number 2, we just take the cheese and you just mix it very well with the help of a wire whisk. Now in a different bowl we add the cream and we add the sugar to that. Beat it very well until it became a little bit fluffy. Beat very well. In a different bowl we add a little bit of cold water and we mix the gelatin, keep it in a side. We leave the gelatin mixture in a warm area to dilute very well. Do not heat it up, just keep it in a warm area, that will be dilute very nicely. We will mix the cream with the cheese. Mix it very well. Make sure that no cheese pieces will be there. It should be mixed like a smooth mixture. We will add the ginger juice to this. Mix it gently. This mixture, you doesn't need to do anything, you can eat it as it is, as a spread. It's giving a fantastic taste when you add the ginger juice to this. Mix the gelatin very well. It is already kept in the warm place, so the gelatin mixed like a super liquid. So this actually will set. You will add the cheese to this mixture. We will again add the little bit of cheese mixed with the gelatin to the bowl. This is actually a easy method to mix very well. The gelatin should be all around the mixture, so it will set very well once you keep it for setting inside the refrigerator. Transfer the cheese mixture into a piping bag so it will be easy to pipe inside the mold. Now we are filling it into the mold. always keep little bit space empty, so the fresh mango puree can be easily added once it is set to the top. To make the presentation, we take 2 plates and we keep like a half moon shape. We add some sugar on the top, one side of the plate, and then we will burn it with a gas torch. So this is just for a satisfaction. You make something good and you make a good presentation that will make you feel better when you made something from your heart and you presenting it in a proper shape. For that we are using a half moon with caramelized sugar. We use a tissue paper to shape it properly, so you wipe from the side so it will have a good half moon shape. You see? We will add some strawberry pieces also. So I have strawberry, raspberry, baby grapes, mint leaves, blueberry and red currants. This is the optional fruits that I have it available now. So we will present the cheesecake over here and we will use a fresh mango puree on the top. Cheese souffle is already set. You see, it's set very well. Now I have the fresh mango puree. We will just pour it on the top, not too much. If you put lot, it will overflow and we will remove the mold, remove the film, see the beautiful cheese and mango souffle is ready. I have a biscuit cookies, just use it as a garnish on the top. Hope you like this and I want you to try it. Let me know your feedback. You will like it. Please try it at your home and let me know your feedback. Thank you very much.